this video, we'll continue solving math applications, SL, paper 1, May 21. Let's get started. Question number 8. Charlie and Daniela each began a fitness program. On day 1, they both ran 500 meters. On each subsequent day, Charlie ran 100 meters more than the previous day, whereas Daniela increased her distance by 2% of the distance run on the previous day. So according to this, we can see that Charlie, following an arithmetic sequence, because he is running with this 100 meter every day, 100 meter extra every day. So this is the how the sequence is increasing. So each term of the sequence we're adding 100 meters, fixed 100 meters. But Daniela following a geometric sequence, because here her distance increased by 2% of the distance run on the previous day. So we are measuring how many meters she ran yesterday, and we calculate 2% of that. So let's see part A. Calculate how far Charlie ran on day 20 of his fitness program. So this means we need to count the 20th term of the sequence. So we can see that in the formula booklet, there is a formula for our arithmetic sequence. So UN equals U1 plus N minus 1 times D, where U1, this is the first term, which here, this is day 1, here on 500 meters. So we are writing U20 equals 500 plus N this is the term number. So 20 minus 1 multiplied by D. This is the common difference. What is the common difference? This is the value that we are adding for every term to make this sequence increasing. So D here is 100. D here is 100. This is what we're adding for every term of the sequence. Then we calculate this using the calculator. We will get 2,400 meters. So in day 20, Charlie ran 2,400 meters. Double I, we need to how far Daniela ran on day 20 of her fitness program. So to calculate this, we need first to calculate or to know what is R. R, this is the common ratio, the number that we are multiplying for each term to find out how this sequence is increasing. So because here it's written that it's 2% of the distance run on the previous day, we are saying that R equals 1 plus 0.02. 0.02, this is the 2%. What is 1 plus? Why? Because this is the original number, because we are calculating 2% of distance run on the previous day. So the previous day, this is 100%, and we are adding extra 2%. So 100%, this is the 1 plus the 2%. So our R is 1.02. This is very important. Then we can calculate U20 equals, our formula is UN equals U1 times r power n minus 1. So u20 equals 500. This is our first term. As we said, both run the same 500 meters at first day, then multiplied by r, which is 1.02 power of 20 minus 1. And we will calculate this in the calculator. We will find it's 728 meters. So this is double I. Then, on day N of the fitness programs, Daniela runs more than Charlie for the first time. So there is specific day N, Daniela runs more than Charlie. Obviously, on day 20, Charlie run 2,400, Daniela run only 728. But in one specific day, she will run more than him. Find the value of n. So, how we would calculate this value of n? Let's translate this sentence first. So, we are saying that Daniela runs more than Charlie. So, what is the formula for Daniela? How many meters Daniela run at any day? This is, we said it's following this geometric sequence, 500 multiplied by 1.02 power n minus 1. And this is what we need to find the value of n. This more than how many meters Charlie runs. So 500 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, which is 100. So we need now to solve this inequality. Solving this inequality manually with the steps not needed, and it will be very difficult because here n is in the exponent, here n not in the exponent, so it will be very difficult. So how we would solve it? We will solve it using the calculator, our graphing display calculator. We have many ways to solve this. First way, we would use the equation solver and make this, instead of more than, we will use the equal sign and we will solve it as it's an equation. Some calculators will give you the answer of n equals 1. Okay, this is true. They both run the same amount of meters on day 1, but this is not what we are talking about here. We need another day. How we would solve it? If your calculator just giving you the answer of 1, there are many other ways. One of them, graph this equation. So you insert this as y1, here this expression, and the other expression for Charlie, this is y2, and then graph and find the intersection point. Graph and find the intersection point using the calculator. Another way, also inserting these two functions, two expressions, y1 and y2, and make a table of values. Okay, if it will be difficult to you to find out how to solve this using the calculator, please make subscribe, because I will soon I will upload some videos for some calculator tricks showing you how you would solve these using the calculator. So make subscribe, and also I will upload these videos into Facebook page and the Instagram page. So follow and subscribe will be good. So when you insert this into the calculator, find the intersection point, we will get n equals 184.215. But we know that n is the term number, or this is the number, the day number. exactly here. We don't have 184.215 as a number of days, so we will say that n equals 185. At this specific day, Daniela will run more than Charlie. This is how to get the answer for this question. Thank you for watching, and I'm waiting for your comments. If you have any questions, please write it down in the comments or send it to my Facebook page. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.